If your Fujitsu air conditioner remote is not working properly, the issue is usually related to batteries, system glitches, or signal problems. Start with a simple remote reset by removing the batteries and waiting about 30 seconds so the internal circuits fully reset. Install fresh batteries and test the remote again while pointing it directly at the indoor unit. If your remote has a reset button, holding it for a few seconds can also restore normal operation. If the remote still doesn't respond, reset the indoor AC unit itself. Turn the air conditioner off from the main power source and wait around 5 minutes before turning it back on. Some models have a reset button behind the front panel that can be pressed during startup to refresh the control system. For Wi-Fi or smart Fujitsu models, performing a factory reset using the temperature and timer buttons may be required, after which you'll need to reconnect Wi-Fi settings. When resets don't fix the problem, check for infrared sensor or interference issues. Clean the receiver sensor on the indoor unit since dust can block signals, and test the remote using your phone camera to confirm it sends an infrared light. Also keep strong lights or electronics away from the unit as they can interfere with signals.